Hello friends, today I have come up with another snacks recipe, bread chicken rolls. Bread with chicken fillings makes a mouth-watering snack. For this recipe we need shredded chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'll boil the chicken first and then we'll shred the chicken pieces using fork. Here I have taken 300 grams chicken breasts. In goes 3 to 4 stems of fresh coriander leaves, half onion roughly chopped, 2 green chilies and a bay leaf. 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, salt as per taste and crushed black pepper. And I have taken 2 glasses of water to boil the chicken. See, you can boil chicken by adding salt and pepper only. Since I don't like boiled chicken, so I have added all these ingredients to make my chicken more flavorful. Now close the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes till it's completely done. In between, keep checking. If you want to remove the fat layer which is floating over the top, you may remove it by using spoon. Now I'm gonna flip it. Keep checking by inserting knife whether it has cooked completely or not. Once it's almost done, increase the flame to high and let all the water dry up. Now no need to cover the lid, just let it cook as it is. Now see, most of the water has evaporated. Our chicken has been cooked completely and water has also dried up, so now switch off the flame and transfer the chicken breasts into a plate. And discard all these ingredients. It has cooled down. Now let's shred by using fork. Or you may use your hands to do the same. It's ready to go in oil. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now in goes the shredded chicken. Cook it on high heat for 1 minute till it changes its color slightly. Now add capsicum, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon oregano leaves and very little salt, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce or you may add pizza sauce. Stir it well. Cook it for another 1 minute on low flame. Now in goes cheese. Here I am adding sliced cheese. You may take mozzarella cheese. It's up to you. I have added 2 sliced cheese and half cup mayo. Now combine everything very well and keep the flame low. Our stuffing is ready. We don't have to overcook it. Just mix it and remove from fire. Here I have taken bread slices and I have removed their edges. Now I'm going to flatten them using rolling pin. Place the filling in the corner like this. Now apply water in the edges. Now roll the bread like this and seal both the sides by pressing it well. And here I have taken 2 beaten eggs and breadcrumbs. Dip it in the beaten eggs first. And then coat with the breadcrumbs. Make sure you use dry hands while coating the crumbs. Our bread rolls are ready to go in oil. Once the oil is hot, fry the bread rolls. Always fry on medium flame. Flip and fry both the sides. Fry till they turn nice, crisp and golden. It's done. Now let's remove from oil. And our scrumptious bread rolls are ready to serve. I'm going to be serving it hot along with coriander chutney. Just a gentle reminder, if you like my videos, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching my video.